Hey, it's Pierre. I've got an unboxing today of the Asics Gel Rocket 9. This is one of the most popular shoes in squash from Asics. They're on the 9th version of it. And I bought a pair so that I could review it. The review is going to be in a separate video. This is just first look before I try it on. These were 55 bucks in the US on Amazon. Right. So, here they are. I went with the white, black, and gold model. It says Gel Rocket on the heel here. Here's the sole, gum rubber sole with some, this is a kind of harder plastic piece here, this gold one, and this is a bit softer, this black one. Gum rubber that comes up over the toe here. On the whole, a good looking shoe. We're going to try them out and I will have a review of them over the next few weeks, so subscribe to the Squash Source YouTube channel to get an update on that, and hit like if you want to see more of these unboxing videos. Alright, thanks.